Hi, my name's Cheryl from MINTD Box. We've had a fabulous collaboration with VOTARY this month. So let's talk skincare. My skin type is combination hormonal, oily at times, and sometimes if I'm breastfeeding and I don't drink enough water, I find that my skin when I wake up is very parched, very dry. It just depends on the situation really. I'm a busy mum of two, so trying to get 5 to 10 minutes to yourself, as you know, it can be a bit of a struggle at times. I'm literally going to start with my favourite cleansing oil, which is a super seed cleansing oil with chai and parsley seed. I literally take 2 pumps, and what I do is I literally rub it in between, make sure it's lovely and warm. Take a second to breathe in the lovely, lovely smell, and I literally just slather it on. And I slather it all over my eyelids as well. This is a great cleanser for taking off makeup, especially first cleanse. Now, I usually only do a first cleanse in the morning if I haven't applied any sort of treatment products on top. You don't need so much of it, so what I do is I take it to my neck and I rub it into the sides and behind the back of my ears, because that's where a lot of germs harbour. Well, there's a lot of dead skin. From the tap, make sure that the flannel is lovely and warm. And the great thing about the flannel is it acts like an exfoliator. So it's not harsh, it's very gentle, but it also helps to lift dead skin. And I take it down the neck. This is my skin. I've got a bit of texture, but that will disappear hopefully soon. So the next thing I'm going to use is the Super Seed Serum. I'm literally going to take 2 pumps of it, and I'm literally just going to rub it and pat it in, and it smells so fresh. It's actually so light as well. And over my eyelids, take it down my neck. I used to use this when I was pregnant in the summer, and I would leave this in the fridge. And then when I felt like it was getting so hot, I'd literally just take a pump and just press it into my skin to keep my skin nice and cool. That's pretty much the Super Seed Serum. It's not oily, it's lightweight. My skin already feels very plump and very hydrated at this point. So I'm gonna take my third product, which is the Super Seed Nutrient Cream. It looks so yummy. It's so lightly whipped. It's such a great base for makeup, so it's very light. Don't miss the eyes. Pat it in, take it down the neck, whatever you've got on your arms or your hands. And then after that, I'm gonna take the Super Seed Facial Oil to seal everything. I take 2 drops of it. It smells amazing as well. I love my skin to have a glowy effect, purely because it's very hydrated for my skin as well. It leaves my skin looking lovely and plump. Especially since I am breastfeeding, and I find that breastfeeding literally depletes all my water levels, all my hydration levels in my skin. So I'm always conscious of that, to drink lots of water and to also seal the whole process with like an oil. Right, so this is my final finish with the range, and I'm gonna finish my routine off with VOTARY's natural lip oil. It smells absolutely amazing. I literally use this before I go to bed. When I wake up, my lips are very plump and hydrated, very moisturising, very hydrating, and perfect for on the go. I really hope you enjoyed my routine. It's a very quick, efficient routine, and it packs a lot of hydration, a lot of glow. Perfect for the cooler weather that's coming. Winter's coming, as they say in Game of Thrones. I hope you enjoy the range as much as I do.